Do you want to learn about butterflies? Yes? Hi, I'm Miss Kristen. I'm a real teacher, and today we're going to play, learn, and grow, and we're going to learn all about butterflies. It's going to be so much fun. Come on, let's go. Do you remember when we made our butterfly craft? Look, we had eggs, a caterpillar, a chrysalis, and a butterfly. If you want to make this craft, go ahead and check out that video on our channel. Let's learn so much more about butterflies. Let's learn exactly how little caterpillars change into big, beautiful butterflies. First, a tiny caterpillar hatches from an egg. It's very hungry. It eats and eats and eats. Chomp, chomp, chomp. That's how it grows bigger and stronger. Then, when it's ready, the caterpillar wraps itself in a special little house called a cocoon or a chrysalis. Can you wrap up like a caterpillar? Inside the cocoon, something magical happens. The caterpillar rests and changes into a butterfly. Let's wait very quietly. Shh. Then, pop! Out comes a beautiful butterfly. It flaps its new wings and flies high into the sky. Let's all be butterflies and flap our wings. Can you flap your wings like a butterfly? Wasn't that amazing? A caterpillar changes so much, just like how you grow and change, and you learn things that are new every day. Can you remember what caterpillars turn into? That's right, caterpillars turn into butterflies. Great job, friends. Butterflies come in all different colors. Will you say the colors of each butterfly with me? Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, blue. Those are such beautiful butterflies. Can you say the colors one more time? Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, blue. Great job! Peekaboo! Will you go on a butterfly hunt with me? I'm going on a butterfly hunt, going on a butterfly hunt. I'm gonna find a blue one, I'm gonna find a blue one. I'm not scared, I'm not scared. Oh no! Look at all of this mud. I can't go over it, can't go over it, can't go under it, can't go under it. I guess we're gonna have to go through it. Let's stomp through the mud. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Good job. Look, we found the blue butterfly. Let's look for a red butterfly. I'm going on a butterfly hunt, going on a butterfly hunt. I'm gonna find a red one, gonna find a red one. I'm not scared, I'm not scared. Oh no, look at all of this water. We can't go over it, can't go over it, can't go under it, can't go under it. We're gonna have to swim through it. Swim, swim, swim. Whew, we made it. It's the red butterfly. Friends, will you help me find a purple butterfly? We're going on a butterfly hunt, going on a butterfly hunt, gonna find a purple one, gonna find a purple one. I'm not scared, I'm not scared. Oh no, look at all of this tall, tall grass. We can't go over it, can't go over it, can't go under it, can't go under it. We're gonna have to go through it. Swish, 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 through the tall grass. Whew, we made it. Look, it's the purple butterfly. Great job, friends. High five. Let's learn some fun facts about butterflies. Did you know that butterflies taste with their feet? That's so silly. Butterflies have long tongues like straws. And a group of butterflies is called a flutter. Butterflies can see lots of colors. That's why they love beautiful flowers. They love sunny days. Butterflies sleep at night, just like me and you. Baby butterflies are called caterpillars. Butterflies are insects, and they have 6 legs. Butterflies love sunny days, and they help flowers grow by spreading the pollen from one flower to another. Wow, butterflies are so neat. Butterfly, butterfly, spin around, tiptoe softly, touch the ground. Butterfly, butterfly, wings so wide, flap, 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 let's glide, glide, glide. Butterfly, butterfly, fly up high, whirling, twirling through the sky. Butterfly, butterfly, float to me, light as air can be. Butterfly, butterfly, wave goodbye, see you soon up in the sky. Butterflies are really special because they're symmetrical. Symmetrical means when something is exactly the same, like when you look in a mirror. Let's do an easy activity that you can do at home to make a butterfly that is symmetrical. All that you need is a butterfly cutout and some paint and something to paint with. I like to use Q-tips, but you can use your finger too, whatever you want to do. So we're going to start by painting one side of our butterfly. We're only going to paint one side. So I used yellow, purple, and blue. So I'm going to dip my Q-tip into the paint, and I'm just going to put little dots on one side of my butterfly. Just one side, yellow dots. You can decorate it however you want. You can do dots or lines. It's up to you. Big dots or little dots. It's to show how the sides of the butterfly are exactly the same. So get your paint all on the side of your butterfly, however you want. Big dots or little dots. And after you've put dots all over your butterfly, now that we've painted one side of our butterfly, we're gonna fold it in half. So fold your paper in half, and then you're gonna press nice and tight so you smear your paint all inside. And we're gonna open it and see how, oops, I must have had some paint on my finger. That's okay. We're gonna squeeze it so that the paint gets on both sides of our butterfly now. After you've squeezed it really good, squeeze, rub it together. We're gonna open. 1, 2, 3, open. Wow! We made a symmetrical butterfly. The colors and the patterns on both sides are exactly the same. Let's count butterflies. Count the butterflies with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count the butterflies again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great counting! You did such a great job learning about butterflies today. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to do the butterfly craft, check out my channel and you can find the video to do the craft there. Next time, we're going on a frog adventure. Rivet, rivet. Make sure you subscribe so you can join along with us and never miss an episode of Pre-K with Kristen, where learning is always fun. I'll see you next time, friends. Bye.